What's up everybody, Tiger Guy Ty here, and now we're doing another tool review with the rest of my Knipex stuff. So, a couple things to start with. In my toolbox, you probably saw the side cutters. Those are Knipex. Knipex makes the best side cutters. I don't care what you say. They have the best steel in their product, and so I'm gonna keep on running it. First things first, I did 2 years of electrical, so linesmen's were necessity. I did have this paracline, and they were not bad. I liked them. They did the job, but as an electrician, you cut a live wire, pow, and it doesn't go very well. But anywho, I think I like the Knipex a little bit more. This might just be a headspace thing because I like the brand so much, but I feel like the head of the lineman is a little bit heavier, and I think that helps throw the weight a bit better. Might be just in my head, but so be it. That's my opinion. Moving on, quick grip ones. So this is the Knipex 8501 250. So for all you guys who are running a lot of just quick sizing, or if you're doing small stuff or small engine repair, these are great. Like they quick size, no problem, and they do what you need to do. So first off, they have a locker. Pull that, opens up, goes full wide, and then as you get to your spot, it locks in here. So pretty much keep it open, you can lock it in. You go here and quick size, and it locks on right away. And then it's quick adjust, so you find your next thing that you need it for, and then oops. I'm doing this where I can't really see it, but do it here, click, and if you watch here, it'll actually see if I can get a good picture. See how it kind of actuates there? It actually does the pre-locking, so it'll just hold on tight until you let go. I find that it does release a little bit of the tension on your holding grip, so you don't have to like squeeze as hard. It does lock it in, so it's kind of not moving. I do actually wonder if Knipex actually makes a bigger version of it. That'd be kind of neat if they made them in that medium size, if they have those ones. But Knipex will have to let me know and see what they have. So going over the Knipex product, this is my medium small. So you can see, I didn't go over this yesterday very well, but they have the Cobra jaw, which a lot of companies do have, like Irwin, and I don't even know really any other channel lock brands that really carry it, but Irwin tries it. I just feel like Knipex has got it down. These, I've used them for everything. They're my go-to filter wrench. They're my go-to wrench. They're my go-to pump plier for anything that I need. The other feature that's nice, so see how it only opens so far. As you would adjust it, you can get more swing in your jaw, and it holds. So if anybody's familiar with the Knipex product, that's what makes them stand out, is A, the quality, B, the design of the Cobra jaw, and everything about this here. So you can see the button pushes to adjust, and then you're good, you lock in. So you're not stressing to put it in a tight spot and then it releases and opens fully or closes fully. That is just very annoying. And so my snap-on rep never ever got me on Blue Point or Snap-on or Channel Lock brand. Right to Knipex. It was the first thing he sold me opposed to my box, and that tool that I showed you yesterday, I have had it for 12 years already, and it's been the best tool I've had. So if you guys are looking for good quality products, let me know, or if you're curious what else is in my box, the Knipex brand through and through. The needle noses, their side cutters, their hose clamp version of this, plus their quick lock and the big ones. I love them all. I'm a big Knipex guy through and through. I had one of the stories I had from last year is I was taking the ball off my bumper and I was putting an actual hitch onto my truck. And I was like, wow, I'm at home, I really don't want to run to the shop. So I go and I grabbed the ones you saw yesterday, and I put them on the ball, and then I put a 4-inch pipe on the end of it, and I'm reefing, I'm pulling, and then all of a sudden it's like, holy crap, it has like a nice little curvature to it, and finally it cracks, and it's like, sweet, got it off. Then it's like, okay, so now let's check out these pliers, and then it's like it was bending pretty good on this arm because I just put it. The more pressure you put on the back, the tighter it grabs, right? So you can literally put these on a bar and you can stand on it, and it's basically a step. So anyways, as I pushed harder, it gripped tighter, it held the whole way through. I bent the back here, and then I go and look at it after I get the nut fully off, and it's like, oh, this thing's a street. And it's like, man, this steel is fantastic. Like, typically I was expecting to have wrecked these things, and rightfully so. It was my own doing, but I can't even say the wreck. They're still my daily used Knipex pliers, right? So if you guys are looking for a good option, let me know. These ones here, these are just the standard mini or standard small medium, 8701 250. And so if you guys are looking for them, just let me know, and then I'll point them out to what you gotta go. Like always, We know what keeps you rolling, and I love tools. Have a great day. Bye.